Hi everyone. Today I will come with a very interesting topic, Google Password Manager. Nowadays we are using multiple usernames and email addresses password, and very difficult to remember this particular username and password in next 6 months or 1 year or 1 or 2 years. This situation, how we can use the Google Password, how to handle the such type of issues. No need to worry about reset the forget the particular password. I'm just giving with a very simple solution. In Google Password is free of cost. Everybody will never use. What are the features of particular Google Password Manager? We can faster strongness. We can encrypt and synchronize with multiple accounts. Like we are using multiple like laptop, desktop, or somewhere you can use the mobile and data will features. Suppose you have you enter the decision, it will show the password. You can generate the new password. You don't need to remember it. You will take it as sure. You can back up the password, security checks, and security will show you how you can check this particular password check and your password and platform support. It works on the Chrome, mobile, Android devices. It will be acting by a Google Password website, password dot Google. It will be very helpful services. I thought I'm just trying to help you for this. In particular thing, I'm just created one Excel. And the Excel, where you have to download particular Excel, the settings in the Google Password Manager. Here, click Google, download the file. This is expert password. You can go that. Once you download it, it will come like that. Here, you have to put the your name. I'm waiting for the testing to more credentials. Security reason, I'm not showing all the credentials. This is a URL. We are trying to email and username and password. This all the strings you have to put maintain is also not more than one or two. You can display the multiple password usernames as well in the same Excel. You can store with us anywhere. Once you have completed, I'm just selecting the particular. I want to import a particular password in my account. In the account, I'm just clicking the Google password in the particular Excel of what I'm showing you. It will be imported to the successfully succeeded password. The format will be changing. It will be not export. We should be with the maintain the same format. If you want to check this, it will be also create the Chrome password you see. Other use the way you want your password. It will be optional. And once completed, you can export import the password. Here or the options are password check the password from the 56 sites and apps I'm using regularly, and no compromised passwords are there. 48 user passwords are there. We can change the password. What are the very important for that? And I'm using these are the passwords. The password. I need to reset or change the particular and 2 week push password there is the particular thing. And we need to change this the particular password. It will be advisory services in the free of cost. We don't need to pay any of the amount to the particularly. Just we have to sync with the particular browser with your email ID and password. It will be you will be with the each and every in your office Chrome browser and your home browser, home laptop Chrome browser, whatever it may be. It will be very useful and helpful. This is video very helpful for everyone. Can you please comment and share the video? If any doubt, please ping me. I will promptly respond you. That's all about this video. Thank you, everyone.